Alright, for this mixture problem, we're looking to create 380 milliliters of a 65% alcohol solution. We're told that we have currently a 5% mix, and what we do is we're going to mix some pure alcohol with this to get our desired solution. I use this handy dandy chart here to organize my information. You definitely don't have to. I just find this makes life a lot easier. And what we're going to do is we're going to take the information above and fill out the information that we have. The item 1 and item 2 are the two things that we're mixing together. In this case, it's 5% alcohol and pure alcohol. Alright, so we replace the item 1 and item 2 with our 5% and our pure alcohol that we're putting together. And then we have our mix. We know our mix is this 380 milliliters of a 65% alcohol solution. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I fill out the information for rates and quantities that I know. For instance, I know the rate of the 5% alcohol mix. I know it's 0.05 or 5%. Pure alcohol is 100%, which is just 1.00 or 1. And then the mix is going to be the 65% mix. Alright, and then what else do we know? The quantities. I know I want to end up with 380 milliliters. But I don't know how many milliliters I'm using of the 5% and the pure alcohol. Literally, that's the question I need to figure out. So I'm going to let my variables represent those. X is going to represent the amount of 5% alcohol I use, and Y is going to represent the amount of pure alcohol I use. The beautiful thing about charting your information this way is that we always multiply our rates and our quantities together to get our amounts. In this case, amount of actual alcohol in these mixes. And so just multiply these rows across, so 0.05 times x is 0.05x, and 1 times y is just y. And finally, multiplying 65% times 380 gives me 247. Alright, and then what we do with that is we create equations from this information. We create our equations from the quantity column here and the amount column. And what we always do is we're going to add the two that we're mixing to total the final mixture. So our equations would be x plus y equals 380. What that's saying is the amount of 5% alcohol and pure alcohol has a total of 380 milliliters we're looking for in the end. So that's an obvious equation. The second equation is a little bit less obvious, but this is tracking the actual amount of alcohol that's being contributed. So 5% of the 5% alcohol and all of the pure alcohol is alcohol, looking for a complete alcohol amount of 247. So this right here is our system of equations that we need to solve to find out the amount of 5% and pure alcohol we need to mix together.